everyone, so in this video I will be swatching 5 of these amazing Madame Glam gel polishes, and then later on in this video I will be reviewing and wear testing one of the one-step gel polishes. I'll be wearing it for as long as it wears for and seeing how it does wear and how it holds up over the days. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep watching. But first I will be swatching these polishes, 2 of which are their regular gel polishes, and then 3 are their one-step gels. So if you're interested in finding out what that really means and how they swatch, then just keep watching. So this first one is called Perfect White, and this is in their regular gel polish formula. And I can tell this formula is just a little bit thicker than some of the gels I have worked with in the past. But sometimes it's nice to have a thicker formula because it's almost sometimes easier to work with because it's not too thick. And it is a little bit streaky on that first coat, but it does look like it covers nicely. So there is the first coat of Perfect White. I just cured the first coat for 30 seconds under my LED gel lamp, and now I'm applying the second coat. And it looks like it pretty much covers completely in that second coat. I was really excited to get a white gel polish because I've never had one before, and I thought it'd be really fun to do French manicure gel nails because I feel like that's just a really classy look. And when I'm really busy, especially, you know, the coming school year, I'm at college, just having a nice French manicure that's going to last a couple weeks will be nice to have. And this one, yeah, is a really great white nail polish. If I could learn how to paint my nails. It's a little bit messy with that one, but yeah, I'll cure this and then I can show you the swatch picture. This gorgeous sky blue gel is called Amor Azul, and this is another one of their regular gel polishes. So this one and the last one were regular gel, meaning if you were to do a complete gel manicure with this, you would need a base coat and top coat. Right now, because I'm swatching them, I do have a peel-off base coat just so I can remove the gel easily so I can swatch the other shades for you. But I am immediately obsessed with this one. It is just a little bit streaky on that first coat, but I definitely do think a second coat will cover all of that up, and I think this shade is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with sky blue polishes, so this is immediately one of my favorites. So I cured that first coat for 30 seconds, and here's the second coat. And it does look like this one will be completely opaque in 2 coats. And I'm so excited about this one because I think it looks so gorgeous. I love shades like this on my nails for like every season out of the year. Especially right now because it's like a brighter color for summer, but I just love wearing shades like this all the time. So I am obsessed with this one. So this shade I'm really excited about. It is one of their one-step gels, which means you don't need a base coat or top coat. You just apply like 2 thin coats of the gel polish and you're good to go. So this one is called Carpe Diem, and I absolutely love the name of that because that's actually my school, my college that I go to. It's our motto, and it means seize the day, and I just absolutely love it. I just love the thing Carpe Diem, and I absolutely love the school I go to, so I was really excited. And what's really funny is that this polish is a green color, and my school colors are green and blue, so I was really excited about this one. So far, you can see that it covers really nicely on that first coat. I'm guessing it'll be completely opaque on the second coat, and I just really love this polish. So there's the first coat. Here's the second coat of Carpe Diem. And again, I just cured it under my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And the second coat covers completely. I really love this shade. I don't know that I will wear it this summer, but I will definitely be wearing this when I get back to school in the fall, and I'll show off my nails and be like, with all my friends, guess what this is called? It's called Carpe Diem. So I really love this one. It has a great formula. I do personally like one-step gels better, and I think Madame Glam does a really nice job of one-step gels because they're just really quick and easy. I think they last long. I will be doing a wear test, and so I'll be interested to see how long exactly they wear, but I just prefer one-step gel because you don't need to worry about a base or top coat, and I don't know, I just think it's like they're a little bit easier to work with. But that's just my opinion. I really love this color. So let's see the swatch picture. This gorgeous light periwinkle lavender shade is called Confidence, and this is a one-step gel. So again, you don't need a base or top coat when you use this one. And I am obsessed with this color. I think it's so gorgeous and so pretty. Has a pretty nice formula. Just a little bit streaky on that first coat, but I'm sure it'll cover in two. Here is the second coat of Confidence. And of course I already cured that first coat for 30 seconds. And this one does cover completely in two. It's just such a gorgeous shade. This is again one of those ones where it's like I would wear this all year round regardless of what season it is. It's just so pretty. And just has like a really nice easy formula to work with. So there is two coats. Final polish I have to share with you is called Lavender Verbena. And this is obviously lavender polish, and then it has some silver glitters in there, making it really pretty. This will be a fun one to wear this summer because I love shimmery glittery polishes in the sun. This one is just a little bit sheer on the first coat, but it doesn't seem to be streaky at all, and the formula is really easy to work with. Such a really pretty glittery color. So there's the first coat. Here's the second coat. And I do think, definitely on my ring finger, it does cover in two. Let me just see on this one. Yeah, I think this one definitely covers completely in two coats. And something I also forgot to mention about Madame Glam gel polishes is that they are 5 free, and that just means that they are free of the 5 main harmful chemicals that are commonly used in nail polish, and they are free of that, which a lot of times it surprises me that gel polishes are 5 free because I feel like gel has more chemicals in them to make them last longer, but it just makes you feel good about using their polishes knowing that they are free of some of the main harmful chemicals. So I do think this one is completely opaque in two coats, so I'm going to go ahead and cure this one and show you guys the swatch picture, but I think that this one is super gorgeous. So that is it for the swatching portion of this video, and now I am going to be wearing Confidence, this shade right here. I will be putting that on my nails and seeing how it wears throughout this week. Alright, so it has been exactly 1 week since I applied this gel, and obviously a lot has happened around my cuticles. You can see on my pinky and pointer finger I kind of had some hangnails that I peeled, and so that's why they look really gross, but for the most part this polish lasted a really long time. Like, it held up really nicely. I could leave it on for probably another week. However, I'm one of those people that gets really antsy and loves to change up my nails, and it was hard enough leaving this on for an entire week, so I think by far this does stay on really long. You can see how much my nails have grown since last week. But yeah, I'm proud of myself for leaving it on for the whole week, but it really wasn't any tip wear. Like, it just lasted a really long time, and I'm really impressed with it. So that is the Madam Glam One Step Gel. Like, my official opinion, or I guess not official opinion, but like my overall opinion is that I'm really impressed with this, and if I, have a very busy week during school this year, I will definitely reach for these gel polishes because they're amazing. So now I have to remove gel, which is not my favorite thing in the world, but that's okay. I'm really happy with how this polish lasted, and yeah, so now you guys know that you should definitely check out these polishes.